Last time I used cement and old towels to make a floating border. You said that the floating feeling was not strong enough, and coincidentally, its feet were a bit damaged. This time, I plan to use tension to recreate a floating border, with not only a strong floating feeling, but also a sense of heaviness and anti-gravity. In theory, as long as we replace the yarn with steel wire and paint the cardboard into a more sturdy wooden board, making an edit should not be a problem. Next, let's use the Pythagorean theorem to draw a standard elliptical shape on the wooden board and use it as a desktop. We need to use a curve saw to cut it along the drawn line. We need 2 pieces of such desktop. In order to make it more delicate, we can use a trimming machine to round the edges and use a grinding wheel to polish the whole thing from coarse to fine until it becomes extremely smooth. Additionally, cut wooden strips to make table legs. For the connection method, I chose the traditional mortise and tenon structure. First, use a back saw to cut along the line, then use a chisel to make a female tenon and a corresponding male tenon on another piece. This allows them to be connected at a right angle. To prevent wood warping from heat,